Welcome again to Excel's Master Course. If you want to be expert in something, you have to know its basics, features and properties. If you want to work in machine, you have to know each button of it. Are you ready? But before everything, if you want us to keep working, make sure you clicked on subscribe and notifications button, and if you liked the video, give us like. In this video we gonna talk about what are spreadsheets, Excel's worksheet structure, basic information about general features in Excel which we gonna learn in details in this course. As we said, we gonna talking about Excel. But what are the programs which like Excel called? It is called spreadsheet. But what is spreadsheet program? It is computer application for computation, organization, analysis, storage of data. The structure of these programs contains series of rows and columns which we gonna talk about in this session. The most common examples of spreadsheets programs are Excel and Google Spreadsheets. As a data analyst, being expert on one spreadsheet program is so important. Let's jump to Excel. In this video we gonna learn about the interface of Excel. First we gonna learn about its structure. Excel's working area contains series of rows and columns, which generates cells, the rows having its name by them order like row 2 and row 3, while columns have them name by them order 2 but alphabetically, not numerically, like column A and column B. After column Z, the column's name have two letters like column AA, column BZ. Now let's taking about cells. Cell is intersection between specific column and specific row. The cell has its name by the name of its column, then the number of its row like A2, B3, C6. You can find the range of selected cells which we gonna talk about in the next sessions in the name box here. You can add values and data and functions directly or type in the formula bar which we gonna talk about in this session. Now let's talking about formula bar. As we said, formula bar is a way to input data to specific cell. But this is not the only way to input data to cell. You can directly by just click on the cell and type it. You can add data or function which we gonna learn on details in upcoming sessions. Now let's talk about general tools which you gonna use so many times as a data analyst. This is a format box of your font. From font type you can select one from all of these font types. One of the most important features of Home tab is data format box. We gonna learn all of these data types in upcoming sessions. Also, one of the most important tools specially for data analysts is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allows you to change the fill of specific range of cells based on the data that they contain. As we said, it's so important to data analysts, so we gonna learn it in details in upcoming sessions. Now let's check one of the most important tabs on the Excel work area. Insert tab. This tab has tools for analyze and share stages on data analysis, which gonna talk about when we do case studies. And we gonna launch course of these data analysis stages. First tool and one of the skills that managers and stakeholder want them analyst to has is pivot table. We gonna learn in details about pivot table, but for now pivot table is an Excel tool that used to summarizes your data and leads to insights. The second is charts. Charts is the final product of your analysis. Charts can easily tell the story behind the data. Now let's talk about another important tab. Data tab. This tab has a creative tool for data cleaning, manipulation and organization. First important tool is filter. It is effective tool using to filter your data under your selected condition. The second important tool is remove duplicates. It's one of the effective tools for data cleaning. It's used to remove duplicated rows. In this session you have learned everything that you have to learn for Excel's interface. Check OU information in the quiz below in the description. Thank you for pay attention. Don't forget to subscribe and apply notification and like the video. See you in the next session.